Hey, welcome to my channel. This is Melinda from Melinda's Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to make this mini rose. Okay, all you'll need is some scrap yarn in red and green, whichever shade of red and shade of green that you choose to do. That's entirely up to you. Okay, do a slip knot on a hook. This is a 3.75 millimeter hook. Okay, after we do that, we'll go ahead and do a total of 15 chains. Okay, next we'll do 3 single crochets in each of the stitches, starting from the second one from the hook. 2, 3. Okay, go into the next chain and do 3 single crochets. 1, 2, and here is 3. Okay, next one, do 3 in the next chain. 1, 2, and 3. As you can see here, it's starting to form, doing like a twist. Okay, I'll see you at the end of this round. Alright, as you see here, it turned into like a little curlicue. Alright, we'll just do a slip stitch and then we'll pull and make sure we have enough to sew our rose together so it stays into the shape that we choose. Okay, all I did was just unravel it. As you can see here, it's going to twist a little bit, which is fine. Don't worry about it. Have fun, just like I normally say. Okay, and then just shape it into the way that you want it to be. However you're wanting it to be. It don't make no difference. No rhyme or reason. This is the way I'm wanting it to be shaped. So now we just simply take this yarn back here and just simply sew it in together. So that kind of keeps it shaped like how you're wanting it to be. Just kind of go in and out. That's all. No rhyme or reason. Okay, once we have that all sewed in like how we're wanting, be sure to leave the tail so then you can sew it into whatever you're making. Okay, next we'll go ahead and we'll take a piece of green yarn and we're going to go ahead and make a leaf. Okay, just simply do a slip knot on a hook and do a total of 5 chains. After those 5 chains, we'll go into the second chain from the hook, do a single crochet in it. In the next chain, we'll do a half double crochet, and in the next. And then in that last chain, we'll do a single crochet. Okay, after that single crochet, we'll go ahead and do a chain 1. And now we'll work on the other side to make the leaf more, like a leaf. Okay, we'll do a single crochet in that first one, half double crochet in the next. Just repeating the pattern as we did on the other side. A half double crochet in the next, and a single crochet in that last stitch. Next, we'll go ahead and do a slip stitch into the top of the first single crochet. Okay, I'm going to do it again because that's just what I do. Okay, we'll go ahead and we'll cut a piece off so we can be able to sew this onto the rose. I just pull it through and then I make sure I adjust it to where it tightens. Okay, after we'll do that, we'll go ahead and we'll just sew it on to the part that we're wanting it to be on. Don't matter where it goes, just place it wherever. Alright, then there you have it. Alright, you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, thank you. Bye-bye.